guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how you can use your hair fryer and still get crispy and flavorful turkey bacon, guys. No oil, no butter, so let's get started. So here guys, I have my fryer, and here is the basket, guys, and the pan for dripping. So I will replace the basket. So now let's get started. Now lay your bacon in single layer without overlapping. Now set your fryer at 370 for 8 minutes. So here we go, guys. And laying your bacon in single strip will help to get them cooked evenly on both sides. Let's take a peek, guys. They are a little bit twisted, guys. I prefer to have them straightened. So here we go, guys, ready and waiting. Wow, all crispy, guys, very nice. So my lovelies, let's add the remaining 4 strips of bacon. Just love me some bacon, guys. Just love me some bacon. Love me some bacon. Just love me some bacon. Some bacon, some bacon, some bacon, guys. Here we go, guys, all ready and waiting. This is another fabulous way to cook your bacon. So enjoy, guys. Please drop me a comment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching.